Alrighty guys, it is raining like the dickens out there. I know me and Lindsay haven't made a video in a long time. Like both of us together, you know. And it's mainly because of school and some more school. And we only have a few, like 5 more weeks of school left, so woo! And then we'll have like hopefully more videos posted during the summer. But today I'm just gonna be boring because Jolly Rancher, yo. But today I'm just gonna kinda be bored and talk to things. So I don't know. 1 second. Alright, this is my Eeyore. He's random and he's mine. Because he's fantastic. I don't know. Let me show you this, I guess. This is what me and Pamela drew for my room. It's pretty freaking awesome. So, yeah, and freaking yeah, and that's my wall. So yeah, that's like my video. So keep you guys updated. Post new videos soon. So I love you guys and bye.